Jamaican Independence Day, so let's cook the national dish. Ackee and saltfish with some roast yam. Now, if you know ackee and saltfish are one of my favorite things to eat because it's just light and nice and easy to eat and it's quick. And today, we are making it with some roast yam. I went to the Asian store and couldn't find yellow yam, so whatever yam this is, I use. But boy, this is most the afu yam we then sing about. Dry afu yam. If it wasn't 100 degrees outside, would I go outside go roast this pan some coal. However, ain't nobody got time for that in this heat. Broil it on 450 because sorry, toaster oven. Because master it too hot and I didn't want to light the stove oven. But if I had broiled it in the stove oven, it would have given that nice illusion of roasting. You know that little burnt darkness, but toaster oven only go up to 450, so it didn't give it that burnt look. After the 10 minutes broil, I put it in the foil paper and put it back in the oven and I roast on 450 for 1 hour. In the meantime, I boil, wash and clean down my saltfish, cut up my aromatics, which were onions, scallion, not onion, shallot, because of Emancipation Day. So let's dress up the thing. Garlic, pimento, and tomato. Added some island spice oil to the pot. Saute my aromatics, added my saltfish, added some black pepper, then I rinse off my can of ackee in hot water, hot, and add it. So I add the ackee, I always hit it with some more black pepper because I love enough black pepper in my ackee and saltfish. Then I gently stir this around, careful not to break up the ackee any much more. And that's it. Ackee and saltfish done. Bussing, and it does make a difference with the shallot and it does make a difference with the island spiced oil. 1 hour and about 15 minutes later, I take out my yam. See it there? I call it roast yam, but at this point I bake yam. I slice it up, cook it, hot like a fire, rub some butter on it, and that's all. Put some ackee on it and we're ready for eat. Why this I am, I didn't sing about when them say, rent a yam, cut up in slice, cook up with plenty coconut oil. One Sunday morning, a poor old man eating a piece of overnight yam. The yam so dry, powderish yam. It fell down the old man's throat. And this I am a powderish. However, it was perfect with the ackee and saltfish. I have to do this more often, and the next time I go outside, I go roast my yam pan coal stove. But you know me have to do for the national dish because it's